So this episode's all about saving some bees from an old farmhouse. Stay with us and we'll go from there. The history behind this is a neighbor called my wife who's beekeeper. And what?
And he said, hey, this house is due to be burned down or tore down or both, and come try to save some bees.
So watch what happens. Stay with us.
Hi, this is Tim and Joel. Welcome to Midwest Hunting and Outdoors by Two Dumbasses,
a podcast about the outdoors, hunting,
and being a steward of the land.
Hey, if you like what these two dumbasses are doing, please hit the like button and subscribe today.
Baby, why don't you tell them what we're doing, what we did, and what the sad news is?
Well, as a beekeeper, I firmly believe in no bee left behind. So when my neighbor called and said that there's this old farmhouse that's due to be destroyed, there's bees in it, come and get them, I was on it like a dog with a bone. And so we have my brave husband got up on a ladder and tore open some boards, and we've got tons of old honeycomb. There's some honey in it. It's really not worth a tinker's dam. So what I'm gonna do is take it home and render it down, make candles with it, make lip balm with it, things like that. No bees. We just saw a few flying in and out. I think they're probably robber bees or scout bees. And this is an old hive that's no longer active.
Well, we tried, and with each hive we're getting a little better and a little more knowledge and what works and what doesn't work. So it was an adventure this morning, and thanks for going along the journey with us.
Hey, be safe, have fun, and get outdoors.
Hey, that's my line. All right, so in conclusion to this video, as you saw, we weren't able to save any bees. We did get some
honeycomb.
Old honeycomb. There was a little bit of honey there, but it was super old, and that's what was attracting the bees, right?
Well, I have a feeling that there are bees buried deep in those floorboards somewhere that we just can't get to. We didn't have permission to go into the dwelling, but I did retrieve 2 5-gallon buckets full of honeycomb that I will render down and use that to make candles and beeswax and things like that. So it wasn't a total loss.
Yeah, and we tried. We're learning with every adventure on trying to capture bees and save bees. So it didn't work out this time as far as the bees goes, or the honey, but we did get some wax.
Did get some comb for some wax, so that's good. I would like to tell your viewers, if I could, that if you encounter a swarm of bees, which will look like a giant ball of bees, and we can include a picture, or if you know of someone who has bees in a dwelling, you can contact your local beekeeping club in your area. Check local listings. Worst case scenario, you may call the DNR and ask them. They may give you some advice on how to find a beekeeper to extract those bees. We certainly don't want to lose any of them if we can help it.
Yeah, or put comments, inquiries in the comment section down below, or you can get a hold of us at midwesthuntingoutdoors@gmail, and you'll see that email address, and we can do our best. We can try our best to help you out. So
absolutely, no bee left behind.
As a bonus video here, we on our way back home, we saw some turkeys. It's late March, middle to late March. Turkey season's coming up, so weather's turning really nice, and we saw some nice turkeys, and we included that footage in this video. So again, thanks for watching, and stay with us.
Thanks for listening or watching our show. We have some exciting topics and guests coming up.
We ask that you subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
We look forward to hearing your suggestions for topics,
Questions and comments. This is Two Dumbasses signing off. Until next time,
be safe,
have fun, and get outdoors.